Hello friends, how are you? So I'm back with a new video. In this video, we'll discuss a common problem when you're going to generate an XML file. Okay, so we'll see what is the problem. So the problem with the S4 HANA upgrade basically when I'm going to generate an XML file for S4 HANA upgrade, it gives me an error. Okay, so let me just walk through with that error and what is the resolution for that error. So I can see I already opened the support portal. I will go in maintenance and then maintenance planner, because the maintenance planner is the one tool where you have to generate your XML file for any system upgrade. So we'll click on access maintenance planner. It will take some time because it have to just load the data, and the interface also changed for maintenance planner, right? So let's wait for that load. Okay, now you can see it's loaded. So for S/4HANA upgrade, SAP provided a separate tab if you need to install a new system, or you need to do any kind of ECC to S/4HANA conversion, or you need to upgrade your S/4HANA system. So you have to just go with that tile actually plan for S/4HANA. Okay, once you'll click on the tile, it provide you these options actually: manual installation or manual conversion or manual upgrade. So as I told you, we are going to generate for upgrade. Okay, so I will select the manual upgrade option and I will click on next. When we'll click on next, it will ask for the system detail, which system we want to upgrade and for which we are going to generate the XML file. So we'll select our system. Okay, then I can see it is running on S4 HANA 1709, and we're going to upgrade till 2021. So I will select the 2021, then stack level 3, and then I will select business intelligence and BI content, and now we'll go next. Okay, when we'll go next, so it will analyze all the business functions or all the compatibility with S4 HANA 2021. Okay, and it will provide you the result actually. Well, so now we have the summary. Here in the summary, you can see we have one error actually. Maintenance planner conversion pre-check fails actually. Conversion prerequisite fails, and it fails because the business function information is not available, as there is no RFC destination from SAP Solution Manager system to the technical system. Okay, so we already checked the RFC. RFC is there in our Solution Manager and it's working fine, but still we have the error. So for quickly fix this problem, you have to do one steps only. You have to just manually download the XML file from your S4 HANA system, and you have to upload the manually generated XML file in your maintenance planner. If you are not sure that how you can generate the manual XML file from the system, so I already uploaded one more video related to that, how you can generate the manual XML file from the system and update your component detail in maintenance plan. Okay, so you can go through with that video and it will help you to just download the manual XML file and upload in maintenance planner. Okay, we already downloaded maintenance the XML file and uploaded in the system, and our issue got resolved with that kind of a step. So if you are facing that kind of problem, so you can do that step. um, okay, that is all actually related to this problem that you have to do. So if you are interested with S4 HANA upgrade kind of work, and you need that kind of knowledge, so I am going to start one separate study session, maybe 10 videos or 11 videos session that I will upload weekly basis on my YouTube channel. So if you need any kind of help, or if you are interested to go with this S/4HANA process, you can join me with these videos, and we already kept the comment section open for everyone. If who is joining these videos and they have any kind of difficulty with the process, so they are free to just put their comments. Maybe it will take time me to check the comments, but I can assure you that in 1 day or 2 days I will reply on your comment. And if you need any more clarity on the topic, so I can upload come with maybe new video that will provide you the brief knowledge about that point. Okay, so one request I have with all of you, because I know that multiple users are coming, watching my videos, and getting the knowledge from these videos, but they are not subscribing or liking my things. I'm not saying that you have to like the video. If you have any kind of dislike as well, that's okay actually, but at least you have to just comment there. That's why we have the comment section. You can just provide your comments, so I will try to improve the things. Yeah, that's all. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it first, so you'll get the complete videos for S4 HANA upgrade that I will cover maybe in coming next 1 month. So you all will be familiar with the process, all the prerequisite, all other kind of post activities that we have to do, maybe FIORE related issues, all things we will cover there. So please be here and wait for the videos. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching the videos. Have a good day.